Hello guys, I will keep it short for today's video. We've got here the upgraded version of the mepsking SZ 2207 motors, and there are some interesting changes in the design. They sent me these motors to check out, but as always, I will share my honest opinion with you. If you are new to the channel, I'm Going FPV and I'm doing FPV content including builds, reviews and freestyle flights. I've already tested the old Neon motor in past builds and I can't wait to see what the new SZs are bringing to the table. I will also be using these motors in my second cinematic 5-inch drone based on a Mario Master 5 V2 drone. That video's coming soon, so hit subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Before getting a closer look, let me tell you a story. mepsking is an FPV parts manufacturer. They sell FPV components from motors, ESCs, flight controllers to everything you need to build a drone. Their website is user-friendly and the shipping is really fast. You can also use my code to get an extra 10% discount for any order. Now let's check out what's inside the box. You get the motor itself, clean finish, nice anodizing, long flexible wires that are already pre-cleaned, a full set of screws and a lock nut. Simple packaging, but everything feels high quality. The first thing I noticed with the SZ 2207 V2s is the new bell design. It has fewer arms than the V1, but they are thicker and look a lot stronger. MEPS claims this improves durability in crashes, and yeah, it definitely looks more solid. They've also added a better anti-slip pattern on the prop mount, which helps to keep props locked in during high throttle maneuvers. It's a small change, but a useful one. Another thing I really appreciate, these motors are super easy to install. They come with soft wires and enough length to fit most frames. No stretching, no awkward routing. Soldering onto the ESCs went smooth. The wires are already thin, so it's clean joint every time. Now, I haven't flown the SZ V2s yet, so I can't talk about performance. That's coming into the next video when I finish the Mario build and take it out for a freestyle session. But I've already flown the Neon 2207 1950 kV motors and they've been solid. Good power, decent crash resistance. Side by side, the SZ V2 looks and feels like a more refined product. You get N52H magnets instead of N50H, a titanium shaft and a unibell design that feels stronger overall. Both motors use MBM bearings and weight about the same, but the SZ seems built more for smooth freestyle or even racing. Build quality is solid, they are easy to install and all the upgrades MEPS promised seem real, at least for a first impression. But of course, the real test will be in the air. So make sure you're subscribed because in the next video, I'll be flying these motors on a full build with throttle testing, responsiveness, temperatures after a few packs and more real-world feedback. Let me know in the comments what motors you're flying right now, and if you tested the SZ V2 already, I would love to hear your thoughts too. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.